Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
To do an advanced search in Apple Mail, start by clicking the search bar in the top right corner of the app window. You can find specific messages quickly by using filters instead of just typing a single word. When you start typing a name or a topic, a list of suggestions will appear below the bar. Click on these suggestions to turn them into search tokens. For example, you can select from a to only see emails from a specific person. You can add multiple tokens to narrow your search results even further. Type a name, select the From filter, and then type a date like last month. Apple Mail understands natural language, so you can type emails with attachments from John to get instant results. To search for a specific phrase, put your words inside quotation marks. This tells the app to look for that exact sequence of words. You can also use commands like subject followed by a keyword to search only the subject lines. If you want to find emails within a specific time frame, type date followed by the month or year. At the top of your message list, you can choose to search all mailboxes or just the current folder you are viewing. If you perform this search often, click the Save button below the search bar. This creates a smart mailbox that automatically gathers all current and future emails matching these rules. Using these advanced tools helps you manage a crowded inbox and find any buried message in seconds. This is the best way to keep your digital life organized today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.